And now the word Didi, a term of affection for Mamata Banerjee, has once again turned into a political flashpoint in West Bengal's high-stakes election battle. Union Home Minister Amit Shah, addressing a rally in West Medinapur, took a direct swipe at the Chief Minister, saying, "Hey Didi, aankh aur kaan khol ke sun lo." He said, "Open your eyes and ears and listen." He went on to declare that Trinamool Congress government's time was up, adding, "Tata bye-bye Didi." The remark has triggered a sharp political backlash. The Trinamool Congress has accused the BJP of repeating what it calls a pattern of disrespect and misogyny, drawing parallels with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Didi O Didi Jai during the 2021 campaign. TMC leaders, including Rajya Sabha MP Sagarika Ghosh, has called Shah's language indecent and revealing, alleging that BJP's claims of Nari Shakti do not match its political rhetoric on the ground. The party argues that targeting Mamata Banerjee, a three-time chief minister and veteran leader, is not just political criticism but an attack on her dignity. This controversy comes at a crucial moment just as campaigning for the first phase of the West Bengal Assembly elections closed, with voting set for April 23. Back in 2021, similar remarks became a rallying point for the TMC, which framed them as an insult to Bengal's pride and went on to secure a decisive victory. The question now is, will history repeat itself, or will this time the political narrative will shift?
Hey Didi! Hey Didi! Hey Didi!
भारतीय जनता पार्टी का असली चेहरा फिर से सामने आया है। देश के गृह मंत्री अमित शाह, जो गृह मंत्री की तरह तो काम करते नहीं हैं, वो तो इलेक्शन मंत्री की तरह काम करते हैं। उन्होंने एक भाषण में अभद्र और असभ्य तरीके से बंगाल मुख्यमंत्री ममता बनर्जी के बारे में उन्होंने बात किया है। उन्होंने कहा, ए दीदी कान खोलकर सुन लो। इस तरह से अमित शाह ने ममता बनर्जी के ऊपर आक्रमण किया है। ये संसद में नारी शक्ति और नारी सम्मान के नारे लगाते हैं, पर असल में ये ना नारी शक्ति में विश्वास रखते हैं, ना नारी सम्मान में विश्वास रखते हैं। नारी शक्ति इनके लिए सिर्फ एक नारा है। ये नारा शक्ति में विश्वास रखते हैं, नारी शक्ति में नहीं।